Looking for a game-changing grooming solution for your furry best friends? Meet the GroomingPro RX Professional Dog Grooming Vacuum Kit. A game-changing grooming solution for your furry best friends? Meet the GroomingPro RX Professional Dog Grooming Vacuum Kit, the ultimate all-in-one system designed to make grooming easy, clean, and stress-free for both dogs and cats. This 7-in-1 kit includes everything you need for a professional-level grooming session right at home. A powerful clipper with 6 adjustable combs, a professional-grade grooming brush, a deshedding tool, curry comb, dematting tool, targeted cleaning nozzle, plus a dog brush vacuum. To top it off, it comes with a large 2.2-liter dustbin to keep your space mess-free. What really sets this kit apart is its revolutionary direct handheld controller, giving you effortless command over 6 suction levels for precise grooming tailored to your pet's comfort. Combined with whisper-quiet operation at under 55 decibels, it ensures a calm environment, even for the most sensitive fur babies. Built tough with IPX4 water-resistant, pet-safe materials and certified by UL and CSA safety standards, this grooming kit guarantees years of reliable use. Its advanced HEPA filtration system traps 99.97% of dust, allergens, and odors, making your home cleaner and healthier after every session. Design-wise, it's all about convenience. A sleek, space-saving organizer tray and a retractable cord keep your grooming area neat and professional looking. Plus, the GroomingPro RX kit meets the highest quality standards for safety and performance, so you can trust every grooming session to be safe and effective. To back it up, you get a 2-year warranty and dedicated US-based support from experts trained in pet grooming. They're ready to help you get the best results and make grooming a breeze. Say goodbye to messy, stressful brushing and hello to a new standard of professional grooming at home. Your pets will love it, and so will you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to receive all that is new.